Hi, very good evening to every one of you, and welcome back to my channel, Academy Master. So, I, Suraj Kumar, welcome you all. And dear students, it has been over a month since I have uploaded any video for class 10. Sorry for that. So, don't worry. Now I'm back with the new chapter, chapter number 10, circles. Okay, which is very easy and very important chapter for your board examinations. Okay, so. In these chapters, what are the things we are going to study? Okay, we are going to discuss now. The first thing is what we are going to learn the basic introduction. First we are going to learn on these chapters. And one thing, don't forget, if you are new to the channel and till now if you have not subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends. Okay, so now let's start circle. So as all of you have passed class 9 and then you have proceeded to class promoted to class 10, so you might be knowing, because in class 9 you have already learned about what is circle. But just a brief introductions on circle I will give you. What is a circle? Circle is nothing but it's a collections of points. It's a collections of all the points in a plane at a constant distance. Suppose there are different points. See, 1 2 3 4, or just example here, you see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, these are all points. So all these points, when we collect it together at a fixed distance, the fixed distance from here to here, the distance will be same. From here to here, here to here, here to here, all the points distance will be same. And all these points, when we join it together, it gives us what? A circle. Okay, so circle is a collection of all the points in a plane at a constant distance. That distance is called as radius. Okay, that this constant distance is called as radius. And these points, when we, it's not that the distance will be this much like that, it will be there continuous. So collections of all these points, okay, in a plane at a constant distance, we call it as what? A circle. Now coming to the next one, introductions of this circle. Okay, so see here, as you can see, one circle here and one line I have drawn it here. So this circle and this line does not have any connectivity. This line is not touching this circle at any point. That means they do not have anything relation in between them. So what we have written, what does figure A says? It says PQ and the circle does not have anything common. So PQ, this, and the circle does not have anything in common. So the line PQ is called as non-intersecting line. Non-intersecting line means this PQ is not touching anywhere in the circle or any part of the circle. So it is called as non-intersecting line. Okay, now coming to the figure 2. In figure 2, you can see that the line PQ is touching the circle at 2 points, at A and at B. So we have written here in figure B, PQ and the circle have two common points. This PQ and the circle has two common points. What is that? A and B. The line PQ is touching the circle at point A and B. So we have written PQ and the circle have two common points, A and B. So the line PQ is called as what? Is called as secant. Okay, always remember, if a line segment touches the circle at 2 points, then that particular line segment we call it as what? Secant of the circle. Okay, this is called secant. SECANT, secant of the circle. Hope this is clear. Again, I'm telling you that if a line segment touches the circle at 2 points, then the line segment is called as secant. Okay, that particular lines will be called as secant to the circle. Now coming to the third diagram. In the third diagram, you can see there is a circle, and then the line PQ is touching the circle at a point, at only one point. So what this line will be called as? What this line will be to this circle? So PQ, in figure C, PQ and the circle have one common point A. PQ and this circle, they have one common point, intersecting point, that is A. So the line PQ is called as what? Tangent to the circle. So what is tangent to the circle? A tangent is that line segment which touches the circle only at a particular point, only at one point. That is called as what? Tangent. Hope, dear students, you have understood. Okay, the introductions, what is tangent, because we are going to study about this tangent a lot here. Okay, So hope all of you have understood. You can take it down. Okay, after taking down, we will be coming to the some theorems of a circle, and then we will go to the exercise. So kindly take it down. Okay. So now we are going to discuss, we have discussed the introductions, what is circles, what is the tangent, what is secant, what is non-intersecting line, all this you have discussed. Now we are going to discuss the two important theorem. Proof and all, it's not important, but the theorem, the knowledge of the theorem is very, very important here, because our questions will be based totally on these theorems. So what is the first theorem? It says, the first theorem, note number 1, it says the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. That means xy is the tangent. Why? Because xy is touching the circle at a point P. Now if I draw a radius, if I drop a radius from point C on the at point P, then always remember this one. If the tangent is here also, if I draw a radius from here, it will be perpendicular. If the tangent is here also, if I drop a line radius here, it will be perpendicular. If the tangent is here, then also if I drop a line, then also in that case the line will be the radius will be perpendicular. That means CP is perpendicular to XY. This is your note number 1, very important point. You should understand this. Okay. Now note number 2, the length of the tangent drawn from an external point, means the length of the tangent which is drawn from the external point of a circle to external point to the circles are equal. That means, just see, this is not exactly a circle also, but you try to understand it. Okay, what is there in the figure? Okay, you try to understand, draw it properly. So this is a circle. Okay, this circle has a center O. Now from the circle, from this circle, we have drawn two tangent to external point. One point is there P. To that external point, we have drawn one tangent from Q and one tangent from R. So always remember the theorem. The note number 2 states that this PQ will always be equals to PR. That means a tangent drawn from the external point of a circle is always equal. Okay, so these are the two important things, theorems and introductions regarding tangent. I have done it. Now we shall go to exercise 10.1. there are, I think, 1 or 2 questions. After that we will go to exercise 10.2. we have only 2 exercises. Okay, dear students, so hope you have understood it, hope you are enjoying the lecture. Okay, so you can take it down and we can move to the exercise. Okay. So dear students, actually 10.1, we don't have much thing to do, but this is choose the correct, but this we have framed it in the form of a questions, and we are going to do now. A tangent PQ at a point P. A tangent PQ. PQ is a tangent which is I think the circle at point P. Point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeters. So the radius is this one. OP is a radius 5 centimeter. Meet a line through the center O. This line is meeting a circle at point Q through the point O at a point Q. So this line OQ, okay, so that OQ equals to 12 centimeters. So this OQ, the value is how much? 12 centimeter. Length of PQ is, so they are telling us to find out the length of PQ. Okay, so one thing is for sure, we know, given, we will write it here, given, what is given here? OQ equals to 12 centimeter. Clear? OP equals to 5 centimeter. These things are given. One more thing is given, that is what? OP is perpendicular to QP. Why OP is perpendicular to PQ? Because radius is always perpendicular to tangent. We have already studied the note 1, theorem number 1. You have studied this, right? So POQ OP is perpendicular to QP. That is, which means if OP is perpendicular to QP, that means this angle is how much? 90 degree. So that is angle OPQ equals to 90 degree. Okay, if QPO is 90 degree, then this becomes what? Right angle triangle, which means triangle PQO is a right angled triangle. So triangle PQE is a right angled triangle. Now we have proved that PQO is a right angle triangle, so we can, if it is a right angle triangle, we can use what? Pythagoras theorem. So we'll write here using Pythagoras theorem. So when we are using Pythagoras theorem, which one will be the hypotenuse? OQ. So OQ all square equals to which one will be the base? QP all square plus perpendicular OP square. So OQ, what is the value here? 12. So 12 centimeter. QP is how much? QP is not known. Then OP is how much? 5. So 5 centimeter, 5 square. Next, 12 square is what? 144. This is 5 square. If I bring this side, it will become minus 25 equals to QP whole square. Yeah. Now if you subtract it, this one, how much you will get? 9, and here already 3, so it will be 1, 1. So QP equal square is equals to 119. So finally QP will be equals to root over 119 QP. So we got the value QP equals to root over 119. So which option is correct? Which options will be correct here? The option number, you can say option number D is the correct answer here. So option number D is the correct answer. Okay, got it, dear students? In the exam you no need to solve it, but what I have done it in order to get an idea on how to find it out. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Okay, got it? So take it down. Next we will go to the next question. Question number, this is question number 1. Choose the correct. Okay, sorry, question number 3 it is. Exercise 10.1, question number 3 it is. Okay, and 1 2 is what? Fill in the blanks and all. So you do it. Okay, so this one is done. You can take it down. Now we can switch to the next question number 4, and then this exercise will be over. Okay. Okay, this question says, question number 4, 10.1, okay, NCERT. Draw a circle and 2 lines parallel to a given line such that one is tangent and the other is secant to the circle. Okay, so they have given a circle and a line, okay, which is non-intersecting line. So we'll draw one circle. Let us try to draw it perfectly. Oh, so yep, somewhat like circle, but you try to manage it. Don't draw like that, draw properly, okay, with the compass and all. So suppose this is a circle, and with the center O, the center of the circle is O given, and there is one line which is non-intersecting line, okay, like this. So this is a non-intersecting line. Let this non-intersecting line be L. Okay, so they are telling us to draw a circle and 2 lines parallel to a given line. So we have to draw 2 lines which should be parallel to this line such that one is tangent. So such that out of these 2 lines which we are going to draw, one should be parallel to this line. So let's take another line. Yeah, suppose this is another line. Okay, this is point P and this one is M, suppose M, line M. Okay, so this line M is a tangent to the circle as well as parallel to the given line. Okay, it should be straight, it doesn't look like straight because I have drawn freehand, so you draw with a scale. Okay, so these two lines M and L are parallel and it is also a tangent. Okay, now the second one, they have said one is tangent, so done, and the other is a secant to the circle. Secant means what? I have told you a little bit earlier that secant is nothing but a line which intersects the circle at 2 points. So let's draw that secant. So this is a secant. Suppose this line name is N and the intersecting point is suppose P and Q. So this is the required diagram which they were asking us to draw. So we have drawn two lines, the blue lines, the red line and the circle is given. So we have drawn two lines, one is tangent to the circle as well as parallel to the given line L. Another one is secant to the circle as well as parallel to the given line L. Okay dear students, so this is the solutions for question number 4, exercise 10.1. So we are done with exercise 10.1. You can take it down and now we can switch to exercise 10.2. Okay, take it down quickly. So dear students, this is exercise 10.2 and the first question is choose the correct, but they are asking the justifications, so we have to solve it and show to them. Okay, got it or not? Whichever answer you will tick, that answer you have to show the justifications. So what is the questions? Let us see. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to the circle is 24. So this is the tangent or not? So the tangent is 24, okay, centimeter, and the distance of Q from the center is 25. The distance of Q from the center is 25. The radius of the circle is, so that means they are asking us to find this. Okay, so what are the things given here? We can write it. Here it is given. We can write what is given. PQ equals to 24 centimeter and OQ equals to 25 centimeter. Okay, and as we know very well, PO will be perpendicular to, or just write OP will be perpendicular to PQ. OP will be perpendicular to PQ. This is 90 degree. OP will be perpendicular to PQ. Why? Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. We have already studied that theorem, right? Since radius is perpendicular to the tangent, that means the angle QPO equals to 90 degree. If it is equals to 90 degree, then this triangle becomes what? Right angled triangle. So we'll write that is PQO is a right angled triangle. Okay, so if it is a right angled triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So we'll write here using Pythagoras theorem. So we are using Pythagoras theorem. So if you use Pythagoras theorem, dear students, we have to remember one thing. This OP is perpendicular here. So this PQ will, it looks like hypotenuse, but it will be a base. This one will be hypotenuse and this is perpendicular. So our hypotenuse will be OQ. So OQ square equals to OP square plus PQ square. Okay. Hypotenuse is always opposite to 90 degrees. So this is 90 degree, opposite is this one. So this is hypotenuse, and this one will be the base because perpendicular is dropped here. So OQ is equals to how much? OQ equals to 25. So 25 square. OP we don't know, and this is 24 whole square, right? Okay. After that, what you will be doing? OP square 25 square is 625, and OP we don't know. This one square is 576. Now we bring it this side, so it will be 625 minus 576 equals to OP square. So now if you subtract it, okay, then you will be getting how much? 94. So OP square equals to 49. Then OP will be equals to what? OP equals to root over 49. Root over 49 is equals to how much? 7 centimeter. So we got the value of OP how much? 7 centimeters. So which option is correct? Option number A is correct. Okay, dear students. Now you can take it down quickly. Okay. Okay, students. So the next question is, if TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle. See, TQ, PT. These two are the two tangents to the circle. If PT and QT are the two tangents to a circle with center O, the center is O. Okay, the center is O, so that angle POQ is equals to 110. Then angle PTQ equals to what? They are asking us to find out. Okay, so we will do that. Okay, so first of all, what we will be doing? First of all, we'll write what are the things given. So given equals to POQ equals to 110 degree. What they are asking us to find? They are asking us to find PTQ equals to question mark. Okay, so these are the informations they have given and they are asking. So what we will do, this angle is given and this is a tangent, so we know angle OPT equals to 90 degree. Why? Because radius is perpendicular to the tangent, or tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Okay, or you can write tangents is perpendicular to the radius. So radius is perpendicular to the tangent, tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Okay, so that is why OPT. And similarly for the same theorem, OQ also will be perpendicular. So angle OQT equals to 90 degree. Why? Reason is due, same reason. Okay, got it? In the next step, what we will do, see here how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 angles are there. That means it is a quadrilateral. So we'll write in a quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, what is the name of this quadrilateral? POQT. POQT. Okay, in a quadrilateral POQT, remember angle POQ plus angle OPT plus angle OQT plus angle PTQ equals to 360 degree. Sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is equal to, why? Because sum of the angle of quadrilateral. Okay, sum of the angle of a quadrilateral is equal to 360. So here POQ equals to how much it is given? 110. This one is given 90, and this one also 90. This one we don't know. PTQ equals to 360 degree. So in the next step you add it 180 and this one is 110. So it will become 290. 180 and this 110, so 290 degree plus PTQ equals to 360 degree. So in the next step you take this 290 that side, so it will become PTQ equals to 360 degree minus 290 degree, which is equals to 0, and 16 minus 9, it will comes to 70 degree. Okay, so the angle which we are which we are asked to find is what? 70 degree. So the correct options here, it will be B. The correct option is B, 70 degree. So you will tick it on which one? 70 degree. Okay, dear students. So now I don't want to make a long video, so it is already hard 30 minutes videos. So today we will conclude here. In the next lecture, okay, definitely we will finish up with exercise 10.2, and then chapter 10 will be over. After chapter 10 is over, we'll be switching to next chapter, that is chapter number 7. Okay, so I hope and pray that all of you are studying very well, study hard. Already we have entered which month? We are in the month of August now. Okay, so right now time is very less, dear students. Try to study hard, because who knows, your selection exam may be conducted, so during that time if you have not studied properly, you may suffer. Okay, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Academy Master. Okay, the name of the channel is changed. We have changed it to Academy Master. Okay, so that you can get every notifications of all the videos which I will be uploading. Okay, and entire mathematics of class 10 will be covered here in this channel. So if your friends are also in need of mathematics explanations and notes, you please recommend them my channel. Okay, and ask them to subscribe, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends. Thank you so much. Keep studying hard.